Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, I have already provided you a lot of information, ideas related with the topic. Just after providing you summary and facts of that very chapter, today we have to start its step line. It means step based questions. Now I shall try my best to provide you few problems along with its solutions and few exercise for your activity. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously watch my today's video and follow me. Extract based questions. Now read the extract given below carefully and answer the questions that follow. Now, my dear students, extract number 1 along with its solution for your support. Like the extract here, the policy of apartheid created a deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. All of us will spend many years, if not generations, recovering from that profound hurt. But the decades of oppression and brutality and another unintended effect, and that was it produced Oliver Tambo, Walter Schlosser's Chief Lithels, etc. Men of such extraordinary courage, wisdom and generosity that the like may never be known again. Now my dear students, on the basis of these all the lines or extract, we have to focus about the exact solution of these problems. Problem number 1 here, like A. Whom does my refer to in the passage? First option for you, Chief Lithles. Second, Nelson Mandela. Third, Oliver Tambo. And fourth, like Walter Schlosser. Question number 2, like question number B for you. Who are the people of extraordinary courage, wisdom and generosity? First option for you, like Oliver Tambo. Second, Walter Schlosser. Third, Chief Lithles. And fourth, all of them. Now question number C, like question number 3 for you. From the passage, find one word which means a period of 10 years. First option for you, apartheid. Second, profound. Third, unintended. And fourth, like decades. Now question number D as well as question number 4 and last for you. What created a lasting wound in Nelson's country? First option for you, policy of apartheid. Second, brutality. Third, unintended effect. And fourth, oppression. On the basis of the theme regarding the story, first answer is same like as Option number 2 like Nelson Mandela. Exact answer related with question number B like its option 4 all of them. Question C exact answer related with option number 4 here, that's the decades. And last question like question number D and its exact answer here like option number 2 policy of apartheid. Now my dear students, I think to select few problems for your solution. Like step number 2 as problem number 1. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin or his background or his religion. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. For love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. Even in the grimmest times in prison, when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits, I would see a glimmer of humanity in one of the guards. Perhaps just for a second, but it was enough to ensure me and keep me going. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. Now, my dear students, try your best to answer these all the questions. Like question number first here, like problem number A. What comes more naturally to human heart than any other emotion? First option for you, hate. Second, NXT. Third, love. And fourth, anger. Question number B here. According to Mandela's, man's is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. First option here, goodness. Second, kindness. Third, smartness. Fourth, understanding. Now, question number C for you. Trace a word from the passage that means Shiva. First option, comrades. Second, humanity. Third, grimaced. And fourth, extinguished. Now the question number D. In the passage, man's goodness is compared to what? First option here, hate. Second, grimaced. Third, humanity. And fourth, flame. Now, step number 3 as problem number 2. We have at least achieved our political emancipation. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the counting bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender, and other discrimination. Now the first question here, who is the speaker? Like option number 1, Walter Sislous. Second, Chief Ludless. Third, Oliver Tambo. And fourth, Nelson Mandela. Question number B for you here, like what have they at last achieved? First, political recognition. Second, political name. Third, political emancipation. And fourth, political fame. Now question number C for you. Trace a word from the passage that means a formal promise. First option for you, pledge. Second, promise. Third, swear. And fourth, agree. Now the last question for you, like question number D. Where is the place taken by Nelson Mandela? First option for you, United States of America. Second, South Africa. Third, Africa. And fourth, United Kingdom. Now my dear students, I am sure that all of you could succeed to sort out all the problems correctly by the help of the story related with your chapter. Next day we would have to start new topic. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.